taking shelter in her house.
Not a real house, guys. That'd be awesome, though, right?
It's pouring. We're inside. She just decided to run out, and it started pouring once more. And she went into her house.
Show the lock, dude.
Oh yeah, the lock. It's like, huh?
Wait, can I show you? I want to prove that this is unlocked. Look, this is unlocked.
And it has bells on it, so my dog can ring them when he wants to go outside.
Hey, look, there's an old lady out there.
There's an old lady. It's wandering up to the river.
Stay off my property! Hey, old lady, come in here. We will give you some shelter.
Ah, well. That's my sister for you.
Wait.
And the door's locked. The door's locked.
We don't take zombies. Oh no. Go back to your house. Hello.
Please subscribe and we'll get back to you later on for more funny videos. Okay, this is Flower Power, Kerosene Hat,
Okay, normal thing.
and B-Rat 2005. Goodbye!
Yeah.